Tired of trying to establish your online presence? Start your journey with an easy, no-code blog builder. With MailerLite, you can create, launch, and grow your blog in under a day. Experience seamless drag and drop features and design stunning pages effortlessly. Our built-in marketing tools mean you can monetize your blog via digital products or subscriptions. Personalize your readers' experience with email campaigns tailored to their interests. Stand out from the competition with beautiful, mobile-optimized designs. Save time with simple content management and secure, fast hosting included. Join over 400,000 satisfied bloggers and experience blogging success. Don't wait? Start your free 14-day trial today, with no credit card required.